Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we've got this Hot Wheels 2-pack and it's a premium, obviously, as you can see. It's got two Civics, both of them Type R. This one is from 1999 and this is the current generation Type R. So let's open it up and see how does they look. So here they are, both the Type R's, one from 1999, one from currently, so 2022 and after, I guess. Believe it or not, both of them are hot hatchbacks, I guess. This one is also a hatchback, that one's also a hatchback. Though this one looks more like a notchback now. But let's start from the 1999 one because that came first. So I'm just gonna move it out of the frame. So the older Type R. Let's start from the front. So Hot Wheels did a premium and also did a mainline too. So this isn't new. The current Type R is new for Hot Wheels. That's not been done in mainline either. But since we are here, let's talk about this one. So up front, you've got detailed headlamp, carbon fiber hood, red Honda badge. So it's a Type R. Both the mirrors, windshield wipers, and spoon racing. Finished in yellow, obviously, because it's spoon racing. You also got a small tip spoiler here. Looks really good. On the driver's side, so it's a JDM one. You again have it's a two-door. You have the body kit, the aero kit going all the way from front to the back. You got this nice set of 5-spoke wheels in rubber tires, premium obviously. And you've got turn indicators. You got spoon on the side, red interior, which looks really cool. No glass in the front. I think windows open, and you do have this nice detailed glass in the back. Looks really cool. Let's move to the back. Again, nice details here. You've got a big spoiler. You got detailed tail lamps. Red Honda badge again. Spoon racing on the number plate, and a big single exhaust on the back. You can see the body kit continues here. Looks really cool. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap. Yeah, I think Type R's most of the time, even the last one, had the red seats, red interior. This is how it looks from the top. Again, good detail in the top. You can see the small antenna there too. Looks really good. I like it. Now let's move to the current one. So this is new. Hot Wheels hasn't done. I don't think even Matchbox has done it yet. Might be wrong, but again, starting from the front, up front, I think this is not the craziest looking Civic, but I think it's one of the nicest looking Civic. I might be biased because I have a Civic, not the Type R, but the same generation Civic. Again, the red Honda logo telling it's a sporty Civic. You got this nice detailed headlamps, Yokohama sponsored, and this big grill on the bottom too. And also you can see you've got the body kit here, so lip spoiler, and you've got this vent here. So I don't know about the older one. I don't know if they were turbocharged. I don't think they were, but this is the current Civic is a 2-liter turbo. So I think this vent is there to get more air. You got these mirrors and spoon racing here again, and you've got the windshield wipers. And this Civic is slightly wider than normal Civic, so you can see here. It's slightly wider. It comes to the edges. So I'm not sure if it's right hand. No, it's a left hand drive. You can see there. So coming to the driver's side, again, wheels, 5-spoke, same ones as we see on the 1999 one. So not the actual Civic doesn't have the same one, but the Hot Wheels has the same one. Body kit continues on the side too. As you can see, it's 4-door. The 1999 was 2-door. So this 4-door. It's again good detail. Oh no, it's bigger. It's way bigger than the original Civic. You got number 95 on the side and this new theme from Spoon Racing with blue and yellow paint. Looks really good. And even from the side you can notice it's got a huge wing in the back, like huge. It does look like a sedan, but it's not. It's a notchback. But Civic still got some hatchback. Like the finish on the side, black. Looks good. Looks really good. I don't know what it says. It says rigid. collar, I guess. Wait, let me focus on that. It says rigid collar. I don't know. It says the same in the other language too. I don't know. Coming to the back, again, nice details. You've got detailed tail lamp. You got a Yokohama reflectors in the bumper. The twin exhaust. I thought Type R had triple exhaust. Might be wrong. But twin exhaust here. Or maybe this, the modified one has like the Spoon Racing and twin exhaust. So you got the Spoon Racing's website here. And I talked about the big wing. You got the shark fin antenna. You can see the cut line for the hatch to open up. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top. Again, no sunroof. I'm not sure if Type R, maybe Type R doesn't have sunroof, maybe. I'm not sure. For weight saving, I guess. Though the interior on this one seems to be finished in black. It's slightly tinted, so I can't really see exactly, but it looks like black. This is how it looks from the bottom. Obviously, it's a premium, so metal base. So overall, that looks really nice. I would love if Honda does like a regular Civic, just because I have one. But overall, it looks really nice. I like the paint job. I like the details on it, and both of them together makes a really good set. So if you don't mind the price of the premium, I think you should go for one. They look really nice, especially in the collection together. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.